In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add descriptions to tabs and columns in Jotform Tables. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, click My Workspace and select My Tables. Find the table you want to edit, then click View Table to open it. To add a description to a tab, select the tab at the top of the table. Click the three-dot menu next to the tab name, then choose Add Tab Note. Enter your description or instructions in the text editor, then click Save. A note icon will appear on the tab, indicating that additional information is available. To add a description to a column, hover over the column header and click the three-dot menu. Select Add Column Note, type your description and click Save. A note icon will appear on the column header so anyone viewing the table can easily access the additional information. That's how to add descriptions to tabs and columns in Jotform Tables. Thanks for watching.